No cook.
Today we'll be
Cranberry
doing a
sauce.
no-cook cranberry sauce. You heard it right, guys. You don't have to cook your cranberry sauce. So I'm starting off with 2 cups of fresh frozen cranberry, 1 whole orange. I leave the peel on. 3/4 cups of sugar. If you want it sweeter, you can add more sugar. 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Put on your Roboco attachment. Blend until very smooth. If you want to keep it chunky, that's up to you. Remove your attachment, and there you go, guys. No cook cranberry sauce. Good with your turkey for your holidays, for Christmas or Thanksgiving. So pour that into a container, cover, refrigerate for 24 hours before you use. Let that sugar penetrate in that cranberry. Or you can put them into smaller containers, freeze and use for a later date. Happy holidays, guys. Hope you enjoy this.